Welcome to this video on the nature of electricity and the electron theory. Matter contains electrical particles. Protons hold a positive charge and are located in the nucleus. Electrons hold a negative charge and orbit the nucleus. The electron possesses a negligible mass and very high mobility. Its charge is minus 1.602 times 10 to the power of negative 19 coulombs, and its mass is 9.0 times 10 to the power of negative 31 kilograms. Electron energy increases with distance from the nucleus. Inner electrons are tightly bound, while outer electrons possess high energy. Valence electrons occupy the outermost orbit, which holds a maximum of 8 electrons. Weak forces can detach valence electrons, turning them into free electrons. The movement of these free electrons creates electric current. The valence count, represented by the number of electrons in the outermost orbit, determines the electrical conductivity of materials. The number 4 is a key divider for classification. Conductors have less than 4 valence electrons, providing many free electrons. Examples include sodium, magnesium, and aluminum. Insulators have more than 4 valence electrons, which means non-metals block electron flow. Examples include nitrogen, sulfur, and neon. Semiconductors have exactly 4 valence electrons and share properties of both metals and nonmetals. Examples are carbon, silicon, and germanium. The valence count predicts material behavior, classifying materials as conductors, semiconductors, or insulators based on their valence and free electron counts. The Coulomb measures electric charge. 1 Coulomb equals 625 multiplied by 10 to the power of 16 electrons. Atomic structure dictates material selection in electrical applications. Installations require both conductors for high flow and insulators for zero flow. Electrons determine material classification, which in turn drives engineering design decisions.